Now, Fox 54 Legal Connect with attorney Katonga Wright.
Hi, I'm Jackie Lynch, and I'm here today with our attorney Katonga Wright. How are you?
I'm great, Jackie. How are you today?
I'm wonderful. So glad to have you again. We have a great question. This one comes from a viewer saying, I slipped on a wet spot and fell in a grocery store that my relative works at.
Okay.
My relative told the manager that I've always been clumsy. Can they use this against me?
Well, unfortunately, whatever you say can and will be used against you. And in this case, whatever that relative says can and will be used against you. But it doesn't stop there, Jackie.
Right.
With slip and fall cases, we're really talking about whether or not there was a dangerous condition that existed, and if the property owner was aware of that dangerous condition. In other words, had notice of that dangerous condition.
Okay.
And in a response to them having notice of that dangerous condition, what did they do?
Right.
Or what did they not do?
Right.
So that's really the crux of it. Now, there are a lot of people that fall every day,
Right.
and it's nobody's fault. So that dangerous condition element is the key. So even though this person was in the store with the relative who made this comment, we've still got a wet floor.
Right, right.
Why was that wet floor there? And while that employee relative was, reporting this information, maybe they should have been cleaning up the wet spot.
Or at least putting those cute little yellow signs out, right?
That's right, that's right. So that customers have noticed that there is a potential dangerous condition in the wet floor.
Right.
So I think this plaintiff, this claimant, has a case potentially, and it depends obviously on the facts of why that wet floor was there, how long it had been there, what should have the response have been, like you say, putting that sign up.
Absolutely.
So all hope is not lost just because we happen to have this relative that's perhaps hating on our friend.
Well, and just a kind of a follow-up to that is it could be different people or different entities, different companies' responsibility for that. Like a janitorial company might be hired out to clean up stuff like that, and if they're responsible, did their team put the stuff out? It may not even be the grocery store's complete responsibility.
Absolutely. So it's important that if you're slipping and falling, if you've had an incident in a store, that you talk to a personal injury lawyer that handles slip and fall cases so that you can get an evaluation and know that you're setting your claim up correctly, that you're suing the right people and including the right parties, because that's all important to your point. It could be a variety of people who's responsible for that area, not just the grocery store employees. So
that's great advice. Thank you again for being here. You can give her a call at the information on our screen.